Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video we talked about fetch types provided or present in Hibernate framework. That was lazy and eager. There's one interesting thing which comes across when we are using session. So let's have a look again. So right now I have eager fetch type configured on my entity class. Now let's do one thing. Let's take these three lines, I'll cut them and put them before I'm trying to get you know country states. Don't just put that outside of that thing. Just want to make sure my reference should be above, because once we have session closed, so you cannot use session again because session is closed, factory is closed, so nothing you can use from these references. But what I'm trying to do, I just closed everything, then after I am trying to get the size, and again I'm just highlighting my strategy here. The fetch type strategy is eager, and later once session factory is closed, then I'm trying to get the state's size. Okay, so let's run this code, application, and the code is working. Yep, the code is working without any issue. So this is when we have eager type enabled and we are trying to get states after closing the session. Okay, let's do one thing when we have lazy configuration. So let's see what we have here. So lazy called. So that's the only change I'm doing. I just change the configuration on entity class, and the code remains same. After closing the session factory, I'm trying to get the states. So let's see what happens. Run as application, and we are getting a exception, a lazy initialization exception. So what happens here? When we are trying to access certain record after closing the session, lazy won't work, because after we configured lazy and we are trying to get collection, so again a select query gets fired. But issue is we have closed the session, and once session is closed, who will help us to write that select query? Because lazy works in two steps. First it will fetch the primitives, then it fetch the collection. This should not be here. So initially lazy works in two steps. First it fetch primitives, then it fetches collection. But issue is here, to fetch collection it has to again trigger a select query. But we have closed the session and session factory, so there is nothing left which can help us to load the collection. So that's how it impacts if you close session or session factory before fetching other supporting types. So that's it for this. Thanks for watching the video guys. Let's meet next video. Bye bye.